Howdy, my name is Soren, well, Science Soren, and I am working on a vending machine. I have this quarter.
Let's see that quarter.
Whoops. I shall magically drop it in. Ready? Okay.
And out comes one piece of candy.
If it comes out.
It's out. There it is. And where's your quarters go? Where do your quarters go?
It's magic.
It's magic. Awesome, Science Soren. Well, show us how this works.
Okay.
Wait, show us what's at the top first.
At the top, there's a little slot where the quarter can go in.
Mm-hmm.
Let's open this up now. Let's see what's inside. So this, when I drop down the quarter, the candy's sitting right here. So then I flip it this way because the quarter already falls straight into here. See? And then this piece of candy slides out on the other side. Let's eat it.
Awesome. Anything else you want to say?
No. Also, I like to eat candy.